Hey guys, let's do some Linux system administration work today. Linux system administration. I want to write some Python code, and the practice today will be to list processes with top CPU uses. First of all, we have to know how do we list the processes. If we run this command ps aux, this command is gonna list the processes for us, where A means list all processes, U means the format, X means including all the processes, those processes that are not attached to a terminal. We can also sort this output with CPU uses. You can see one of them is using 25% of the uses. If you have checked out my previous video, which is about list processes with the top memory, this is very similar. I'll just do the same thing for CPU uses. Instead of put them into one method, I'll separate them, but in same logic. You can compare the code for help. The only input we are taking is the number of lines we want to output. Again, we use this subprocess library to run the shell command, where we can get the output. With the input, first it's a list of command. We can sort it with CPU uses. Or actually, we don't really need this. And since it is multiple lines, we'll split these lines into a list. We're gonna save the result, and for each line, other than the first line, which is the title, we're gonna go through them one by one, then split this line again with spaces. And there's we're gonna do a check if the total field of this output is less than, that must be something wrong. I'll just skip it. Other than that, CPU will be the second field or second column. I'll also save the command, which is index of 10. And let's save this result, then print it out. CPU uses and command. Let's have a try. The first file are the processes with top memory uses. Then the next file are the top five processes with top CPU uses.